Hi everyone, so St. Patrick's Day is coming up, and I thought I'd teach you this model. It's a little four-leaf clover, and this one has something special about it because when you drop it, it spins, and I think that's pretty cool. So with that being said, here's how to fold it. Alright, so for this model, I'm going to use some green paper. This model is very easy, so if you're a beginner, then you're in luck. Alright, so first let's start by turning over. And let's valley fold in half. We're going to fold a square base. Alright, now let's unfold, rotate, and repeat. Alright, now let's take this point and fold it up to this point. And take this point and fold it up to this point. Alright, now let's unfold both of these, and then let's reverse fold them inside. So let's reverse fold this in, and do the same here. Alright, now we're going to fold a frog base. So let's take this edge and fold it to this crease. And let's open and squash. And now we're going to make a petal fold right here. So let's zoom in. And let's take this edge and fold it to this crease. Do the same over here. And now unfold both of those. And let's petal fold this upward. Now let's valley fold this down, and we're going to sink it underneath. So let's open it here, and push the flap inside. So it looks like that. Right, now turn over, and we're going to repeat on these 3 flaps. I'll do one more, and then I'll fast forward the rest. So let's valley fold this up. Let's unfold, and let's open this pocket and squash. And once again, let's take this edge and fold it to this crease. And do the same on this flap. And now let's unfold. And let's petal fold upwards. And fold this back down. And let's sink it inside. So just pull it like that, and then tuck that inside. Like that. Then now we'll repeat what we did here on these 2 remaining flaps. Alright, now we should have this. Alright, so now we should have something like this, and make sure that the flaps are evenly distributed. So we have 2 flaps on the left and 2 flaps on the right. And now what we want to do is flip 1 flap to the right and 1 flap to the left. I apologize for all the extra creases. I did make a mistake a few times. So let's zoom in. And let's take this edge and fold it to the center crease. Let's rotate and repeat. And let's turn over and do the same thing. Alright, now let's fold 2 flaps to the right on the front. And then on the back, let's fold 2 flaps to the left. So it should look like this. And now let's do the same thing. So take this edge and fold it to this crease. And let's rotate and repeat. And turn over and repeat. Alright, now we should have this. and let's start making the clover part of it. So let's take this point and fold it down to that point. Like that. And let's unfold, and we want to sync it. So let's open this flap, and let's mount and fold it in and flatten like this. And we want to repeat that on the other three. So I'll do it one more time. So let's take this point and fold it down to this point. And unfold, and let's open and sink it inside like that. Alright, now let's fold 2 flaps to the left, and at the back let's fold 2 flaps to the right, and let's repeat the same process. Alright, now it should look like this. And I'm going to zoom out a little bit. Okay, so now it gets a little bit tricky because we have to open the entire model up a little bit. But first, before we do that, actually, is let's take these little points on the inside and reverse fold them. So let's push that one inside and this one inside, and oh yeah, do the same with this one. And do we have one more? Yes, we do. It's this little one right here. Alright, now we're ready to open up the model. Alright, so this is the hardest step. So let's open up all the petals, I guess you'd call them. Well, I'm not sure what you'd call them for a clover. But let's open them all up like this. And let's set it down like this. Make sure all the petals are nice and spread out. And let's zoom in again. And what we want to do is kind of twist the top. So let's make it nice and thin, and then let's twist it. It doesn't matter which way. I'm just going to twist it this way, just so that everything lies a bit flatter. There we go. And then now we can curve the clovers, or is it the petals? I don't know. Someone please tell me. This is a little messy, so I'll try and fix that up. Okay, whatever. It's fine. And let's continue curving the rest of the petals. And now let's just round the top a little bit. So let's mount and fold these little corners behind. Just a little bit, just so that it looks a bit more round. And I think this is the last petal or clover. Again, I really don't know. But yeah, we're done. I hope you enjoyed folding that, and in the meantime, have fun folding.